A secured credit card does not always require traditional employment, but card issuers still need to verify that you can handle the account payments. If you have no job, you can still understand what lenders look at before applying, how secured cards work, and what steps can improve your approval chances. The main thing to know is that a secured card is approved based on more than just your job status. A secured card usually requires a refundable security deposit that becomes your credit limit. The deposit reduces the lender's risk because it provides collateral for the account. When reviewing an application, issuers may consider factors like your income sources, ability to pay, credit history, and application details. A paycheck from an employer is only one possible type of income information. Some applicants may have other sources of money that can be considered, depending on the issuer's rules. If you are unemployed, start by checking the card issuer's application requirements before applying. Look for whether they allow applicants to report income from sources they legally have access to use for repayment. Another option is choosing a secured card designed for people who are building or rebuilding credit. These cards are generally easier to qualify for than many unsecured cards because the security deposit lowers the lender's risk. Before submitting an application, make sure your personal information is accurate. Review your credit reports, check for incorrect information, and avoid applying for multiple cards at the same time because each application can create additional credit inquiries. If you get approved, the most important step is using the card correctly. Make small purchases, pay your balance on time, and keep the account active. Payment history is one of the factors that affects your credit profile. So consistent payments matter. If you are denied, do not assume that having no job was the only reason. Review the issuer's explanation, check your credit information, and look for secured card options that match your situation. So, can you get a secured card with no job? The answer depends on the issuer's requirements and whether you can show the ability to repay. A job can help, but it is not the only factor considered. Your next step is to compare secured card requirements. Choose one that fits your situation, and apply only when your information is ready. If this helped you understand your options, like the video and subscribe for more credit guides.